This is the unboxing of a Whirlpool Dehumidifier. Replacing one that has stopped pumping automatically. This one is an automatic pump, so hopefully it'll last a little longer than the one I'm replacing. Because I'm tired of dumping the buckets. I struggle getting it out by myself, so I would suggest you have someone with you to help you get it out. And I'm replacing a Tailtronics dehumidifier. It's not a Whirlpool. Here's the hose that we use for the automatic pump. It's saying casters are included in the bucket and must be removed before operation. Okay. There's the back of it. This is a washable filter. Just snaps on and off. Yeah. So here's the four casters and wheels. Position here. This is where your drain hose is going to go. We're going to pull that off and connect it, and it's a max of 6 feet. You would cut it. I don't see why. I don't know if you get in here. Still a little off there. So we do need to cut this off. It's not the same. That part is the same. This. So I see the difference. This is definitely not going to fit on that. That's if you have a garden hose. See now, that is not. Let me cut this up. Here's the 6-foot hose. It definitely will not fit in there. See that? But if I screw this on there, it will. And you just pop it on. Like so. And I actually like that feature how they do. And I'll show you over here. This is the Tailtronics that I'm removing. You see the drain hose down here? Once you put it on there, you can't take it out. See, pulling on it, you can't take it out. This is where you would have put garden. Just turned this off because it kept filling up. So I have a little bit of water. So Whirlpool, better feature. Because again, connected hose there. And if I take that off, put this one on, and I can use garden. Now let's plug it in. Bring you with me. I should show you this 3-prong cord. And there's life. I'm gonna bring you down closer. Let's start it up. This is the power button. Timer. Mode. Humidity levels going up or down. Fan speed. Filter. That'll let me know when it's time to pop it off and rinse it off. Pump. Up here is the bucket full indicator. Pump indicator. Clean filter indicator. High or low on the fan speed. See, these are corresponding. Fan speed, high and low. Filter tells me to clean it. Pump or bucket full. Humidity is going to show up there. Mode, bedroom, basement, continuous. I like that. This is in my basement, so I'm going to click basement. Timer or a lock. So, let's turn it on. Oh, what do I want my humidity level to be? That's the lowest it'll go is 35. See what the highest is. 80. So 35 to 80. So I'm going to go 35. It's on low, fan speed. I want it to be on pump. Hold on to continuous. It lets you know it's low. If I hit it again, it'll be basement. 35 is the lowest. Defaulted to 45 for the basement. Bedroom defaulted to 55. It'll be continuous. I'm not gonna worry about a time. Right now it's 45, but I want it to be 35. That's it. It's the Whirlpool Dehumidifier. The 40 pints. And put it in the position. There's the Whirlpool Dehumidifier. It's plugged in and working. There's the 6-foot drain hose. One into my drain in the basement. Did unwind it. Make sure it wasn't curled up, kinked up anywhere. This is day 2, and I'm coming to check on the Whirlpool Dehumidifier. And this Whirlpool is a lot quieter than my Tailtronics dehumidifier. So far so good, and I highly recommend it thus far. I will leave a link to it in the description of the video. Thanks. Money world, I really can't complain. Money world.